Welcome to Viva. Over the next few weeks, this show will explore in depth what Bitcoin is going to be and what it means to you. Today we shall learn about Bitcoin 101. I have with me Jameel Ahmad, FXTM commentator, discussing at length about what Bitcoin is.
This move in Bitcoin year to date, 550% plus. And by the time this interview airs, it could go up even more, the way Bitcoin's heading. What I can say is, as a currency professional and a financial professional, I now need to monitor Bitcoin due to the ongoing demand about the news. This asset obviously has huge potential and probably was underlooked. However, if you look on the other side of the coin as well, we can link back all the previous segments about geopolitical uncertainty, about political risk, market uncertainty, and perhaps, just perhaps, investors have actually been hedging on Bitcoin.
Considering that Bitcoin is now a form of investment, a form of currency, is this considered to be a safe kind of asset or a risky asset? Jameel explains more.
Really, we're seeing a lot of demand to talk about Bitcoin, and whether people like Bitcoin or not, when it comes to financial professionals, there's no doubt in that politicians, central banks, and leading investment banks are all talking about Bitcoin. It's the talk of the town. What I do say is that anybody who wants to invest in Bitcoin, who is thinking about cryptocurrencies, just please consider your risk, because trader education is very important. Although Bitcoin has rallied by 550+% this year, there has also been rainy days where Bitcoin has slid by 20%. It's a very risky asset.
Knowing the risks involved, Jameel Ahmad explains a little bit more about how we can use Bitcoin as a hedge currency.
FXTM's always invested heavily in client education and trader education as a key part of my job as well. What we would say, and we always say this, is that anybody who wants to invest needs to know about their risk and the risk behind investment, because there always is a risk. We think that Bitcoin will continue to get more popular. I personally believe that Bitcoin will make further highs. It's very clear the market is buying Bitcoin. However, that does not mean, like any market, it will just move in one direction. There are days where the market will go down. Yeah. Bitcoin does this a lot. It might rebound, but it does go down. This is why traders need to know their risk and protect their investments.
That's it from me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.